that time of year again where I'm gonna learn a skill that I didn't know this entire year. So if you guys remember last year, I learned how to make a plushie because a friend of mine's niece asked Santa for her imaginary friend to become real life. So these little plushies were a cool thing for me to learn how to make, and she was so ecstatic. So now, in true style, I am back to the drawing board learning a new skill for another Christmas gift. But this time, it's extra special because I'm taking part in the Maker's Happy Hour Secret Santa. I'm going to learn the skill of cross stitching. I know you're thinking that's an old person thing, and it really is. It was actually my old person's thing. That sounded weird. It was my grandma's thing. So I'm continuing the legacy that she started when I was a kid. She would hand cross stitch us these individualized ornaments that were very specific to hobbies we liked. For instance, one year we got one that was my mom with a puppy, and we were so excited. We thought it meant we were getting a puppy for Christmas. We did not get a puppy for Christmas. It turned out it was my mom's childhood puppy, which was really sweet. We were less happy that year about Christmas. So I'm gonna learn how to cross stitch to honor my grandmother's legacy. In addition to that, I'm an engineer and a total nerd. So I love grid paper. I love the idea of an XY coordinate based art. I also love Excel. I've made some dank Excels in my lifetime, y'all. Like, love it. I'm part of the Secret Santa, and I'm not gonna tell you just yet who I'm doing my build for, but I will give you some hints. 1, they're a badass carpenter. 2, they have done a lot of modeling. 3, they know how to find their light. 4, they love some Carhartt, y'all. And 5, they love the Steelers. So I have decided that I'm going to build a cross stitch that has a silhouette of a carpenter's tool, has a plaid pattern of Steelers colors, and has a snarky line. Because obviously I have to be in there somewhere. So this is gonna be a process. I mean, the Excel alone took me a day and a half to design out. So now I have my pattern and I'm gonna get started. Oh, but let's add some cool tech in. I'm gonna be rocking these glasses because there's a little camera right here. I'm also gonna have my little gobo arm here with a camera on it so you can have an over the hand shot. Let's turn these things into that thing. It's gonna be cool. So when we first start, what we wanna do is we wanna find our center. So we take our thing and now we have our center. So now I'm gonna be working down and over with my plaid pattern. We have to find a hoop that fits this. Tighten this down. Yeah, cool. And now I guess we start. I have never done this before. I bought an embroidery kit and like it has like all of these little things. So next we're gonna cut the length that we want of our thing. Safety first. I don't actually know what these are. I have a lot of these. These are just pins. Cut a length about 18 inches long. Okay, unravel these because these are actually, this is actually multiple strings. We've got, that's my center. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go. I'm a little bit worried that I'm doing this wrong already. And then we go down to the next one. Oh shit. This is going to take a really long time. Man, I already have so much more respect for my grandma. This is cray cray. Why did I decide to do plaid, y'all? That's 4 by 6 so far. Cool. Now we're near being done. Bum, bum, ba-da. Bum, 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 bum. That took forever. I have one 6 by 6 square. There's a lot more to go. I'm going to actually transition to time lapse because this is going to take way too long. Additionally, I tried to shoot like how to thread the needle and all of that so that you guys would see it. But I use these glasses and they really screwed me. It turns out like my eye line is not what they see. It's like clear up here. So unless I'm gonna like rock this, which I mean, What's really cool though is that, you know, most people recommend working with an 18-inch piece of strand. And so I'm working with that and it ends up being perfectly what I need for one 6x6 square. So it's nice because I can start and stop each thread within one block without having to like start mid-block on another one. So, you know, come along with me. Let's hope I have enough of this. Bye. Bye. So I put over 10,000 stitches into my cross stitch for my Maker's Happy Hour Secret Santa gift, and I've missed the deadline for shipping. So today I'm gonna be Santa and I'm gonna drop it off in person. Okay, so I have to figure out which unit is theirs and drop this on the porch. Yay! Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. Hi! Aren't you so cute? Hi! So I was gonna drop this off so you didn't see it.
Oh! Who's this for?
This is for you.
For me?
Yes, this is your Maker's Happy Hour gift.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I didn't finish it in time to ship it. And then your neighbor just told me you were gonna be out here and we're gonna see it, so.
What a surprise, Sissy.
Would you, puppy? Hello. Hello.
Don't be a tool. Secrets of science. Wow. Ooh, I love peanut butter. Actually, my husband will probably eat all of those. Oh, I love it. Thank you. So I just got a surprise gift from the Maker's Happy Hour friend. And she happens to be local. And she also brought me food. And I'm so excited.